Gymshark Onyx t-shirt sizing guide. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, lifestyle, the Show Me channel. And today we're going over this bad boy. That's right, I read you guys' comments on the review of this t-shirt and you guys are wondering, what size should I get? I just got one the other day and it doesn't fit right, man. What should I do? Man, what if I want a looser fit of this t-shirt, man? Should I size up? Well, don't you worry, man, because this should be a complete guide to help you guys solve that issue. So before we get into it, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into the sizing guide. Alrighty, so what makes the Onyx t-shirt so special and kind of hard to size? Well, first, it's a seamless, super stretchy, and designed to contour your physique. So it's meant to be very form-fitting. Definitely not baggy and not loose at all. When you first put on this t-shirt, it's going to be really tight. I mean, it's going to hug your arms, your neck, your shoulders. It's going to feel like it's really supporting you. And then after time goes on, it will kind of loosen out a little bit. You know, 10 minutes of wearing it and working out, it will loosen up a bunch. Which can be hard because some people put on this t-shirt and at first they'll think that it doesn't fit, but after a while, it kind of does. But if you don't know that, you might change size a little bit. So that might be a really good tip to know, is when you put on this t-shirt, wear it out for a little bit. But yeah, still being very hard to size. So I'm gonna go put on this t-shirt. So you guys should also know my specs. I'm about 160 pounds and about 5'11", 6 foot-ish. And I got a medium Gymshark t-shirt just for reference. So now I'm gonna go and put on this t-shirt. Holy Jesus. So this is what the t-shirt is like on body, and I'm now remembering that this thing likes to pretty much strangle you. Like I said before, man, my biceps are being really hugged tight. My neck and everything and shoulders is feeling really tight. And it's a little bit cropped, you know? It comes right where my belt is at right now. And yeah, whew, just doing like some motions and stuff, man, it definitely, man, this thing definitely feels like it holds you in place. And we're gonna do a complete 360 now to show you guys even what it looks like from behind and how it hugs your back too, and how it comes in and everything. Really nice t-shirt, man. I mean, Gymshark is kind of very prideful over their technology and everything. I definitely do think they're changing the game a lot. A lot of people are after this t-shirt. Alrighty, so let's talk first about styling, man. So when do you want to go true to size for this t-shirt? If you're a medium, should you go medium and stuff? Well, if you go true to size like I did, you're definitely going to get that clean, aesthetic Gymshark look. And remember, it's going to feel really tight at first. You just got to wear it out a little bit, and it'll loosen up over time. It's gonna be really tight on your chest, as you can see, and really tight on your arms and everything. And you gotta watch out for that waist. Put your arms up a little bit, your belly could dangle out. Now, if you wanna go for like a regular athletic fit, you know, kind of what you normally get with like your Nike clothing or maybe Lululemon, then you should go actually a size up. It still looks really athletic, but gives you a little bit more breathing room. You know, it doesn't really tug you or tight you as much. Now, if you want to be trendy a little bit and go for a baggy t-shirt look, you gotta go at least 2 sizes up. Yeah, that's gonna look more relaxed and kind of like a normal t-shirt. You kind of not want to do that with this t-shirt though, kind of blasphemous, you know, because that's not really what this t-shirt's about. But if you want to do that, go 2 sizes up. Me, I think you should go true to size, because I think you should wear the t-shirt for what it's intended for and everything, and not really just go for the hypes and styling and everything. Because I really like how this thing kind of just brings out my biceps and everything. And I mean, I'm not the most like built guy in the world and stuff, but this makes me look like some sort of like Instagram model. Might be glazing myself a little too much, but that's just, I think, how it looks. Even though it's fitted and everything and hugs you, it's kind of crazy the amount of motion I still have. Like, I still feel like I can just move around just fine and everything. It doesn't really feel too restrained. But if you are feeling like this thing is just hugging you way too tight, even wearing it out, I would just go a size up and it'll fit more regularly like a Nike t-shirt. And if you, once again, if you want, you know, that relaxed streetwear style, go 2 sizes up. And you guys might have said, well, what if I want to size down? Don't do that. No, this thing is cropped and everything. It's going to come up to your belly button and your shoulders would be flaring out a little bit too. Do not size down on this t-shirt. No, completely just don't do that. Now you might be wondering, well, I am this height, I am this weight, what should I get? Well, I could spend all day answer this, but actually got a little sizing chart built up for you guys right here, so you guys can see all the specs needed. I have it from when you should get a small all the way down to an XL. But yeah, I think that's all you need to know for the Gymshark Onyx sizing guide. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.